Welcome to watch the FSTpipe installation training series videos. Today, we will bring you the FSTpipe aluminum DN125 square 90 degrees elbow operation. The materials and tools are DN125 aluminum pipes, square 90 degrees elbow, spanner, electric impact wrench. First unscrew and remove the bolts on the square 90 degrees elbow. Disassemble the square part and put it outside the aluminum pipe. Clamp the aluminum inner parts to the grooving line. Apply lubricant evenly on the inner surface of the aluminum gasket. And then place the sealing ring and the aluminum gasket around the end of the pipe. Assemble the whole square part and the main body of the elbow. Insert the bolts and tighten them. Repeat the same steps to install the other side of the elbow. Then the installation is completed.